I have finally got my OnePlus Power Bank, green in color. Let's quickly unbox this.
Purchased this from Amazon, which gave me offer, so I got this for 1000 rupees.
The packaging is quite simple, as you can see. All the information is already mentioned at the back of the box. It is a 18-watt fast charger power bank. As you can see, it is never settle branding on the front, 3 ports and the OnePlus logo on the back. This power bank feels quite smooth in finish. There's only one power button. They have only given 25% charge. As you can see, there are 4 LEDs. Now coming on to the paperwork. All the information about the device is written in the paperwork. A red cable curb card. Then comes most awaited OnePlus red cable, which has 2 types, type B and type C. So we don't have to worry about type B cable for whichever devices we have. Suppose type B. So there are 3 ports, 2 of output and 1 is multi-port of input-output. The ratings are on the screen. Now we will see 2 different modes: fast charging mode on single click, and for low current mode we have to click twice, so that the LED will start blinking one by one. Now I will charge my 2 devices. One cable which I had from my power bank, and the other one I got from OnePlus Buds, which I had purchased earlier. So now I will connect my OnePlus Buds to one port and my Samsung Gear S3 Frontier watch to the other port. But for such appliances, I would suggest that we should go for low current mode, so that the device is not harmed, though it will take much longer time period compared to the fast charging mode, but it will definitely help you in a long run. As we can see, my watch is charging and my buds are also charging. You can see indicator on both. To return back to the normal mode, we have to click once the power button, so it will now come to fast charging mode. Coming on to drawback. Most important drawback I faced when I used this power bank was the charging time. It was more than 5 hours, but it can charge your device full at a time. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more such unboxing videos. Till then, peace out.